What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. I'm joined over here in the shack by the family of geese for this momentous occasion. It's April 7th, and on today, we're celebrating New Beer's Day, coined by the dude over at the Dude's Kitchen and Grill. It's to commemorate the repeal of prohibition by Congress when they actually grew a brain cell and did something right for a change. Too bad our Congress nowadays can't grow brain cells and do something correct nowadays. But we ain't gonna talk too much politics right now because that'd get me in trouble. Don't need my channel shut down. But anyway, today, we're going to be drinking, to celebrate today, the Glenlivet 12-year Scotch. Never had this before, so it's going to be a real treat, seeing as I like Scotch. Pour a little bit out. We're also going to be lighting up this Rocky Patella Old World Reserve in the Madero Robusto size. Let's go ahead and light this up real quick. Oh yeah. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Y'all have a good day.